Hello Year 5. Today we're going to be practicing dividing by 1,000. But first, let's have a recap of the week so far. When dividing, the digits move to the right. When dividing by 10, the digits move one place to the right. When dividing by 100, the digits move two places to the right. Our learning objective today is to divide numbers by 1,000. What do you think might happen to the digits when we divide by 1,000? When dividing by 1,000, the digits move three places to the right. The calculation says 26,000 divided by 1,000. We're going to be using place value charts to help us with our method today. So my first step is to write 26,000 into the correct columns on my place value chart. Because we're dividing by 1,000, we're moving each digit 1, 2, 3 places to the right. The zeros also move to the right. So you could write 26.000, but since there's nothing to show after the decimal point, we don't need to write it. So my answer is 26. Now it's your turn. Draw a place value chart on your whiteboard to help you with the method. Then try dividing each of the numbers on the screen by 1,000. Pause the video to give yourself a chance to do this. Check your answers. They're on the screen now. How did you do? Don't worry if you didn't get them all right. We're going to practice some more. We're now going to try dividing by 1,000, where our answer is going to be a decimal. We put this into context by using money. The calculation on the screen says £3,500 divided by 1,000. You may have a calculation like this to do in real life if you had to share £3,500 between 1,000 people. So I need to start by putting in 3,500 into the place value chart. I then need to move my digits 1, 2, 3 places to the right. And because we're using money this time, we always have a digit in our hundredths column, even if it's a 0. So my answer would be £3.50. Don't forget to put in the decimal point when you're writing in your answer. Let's have another go. So my calculation says £950 divided by 1,000. So I need to move my digits 1, 2, 3 places to the right. Okay, so my answer would be 95p. The digits are on the right-hand side of the decimal point, so I know we're using pence this time. Or we could write that as 0.95 pounds. Both answers would be correct. Now it's your turn. Pause the video, draw yourself a place value chart, and try dividing each amount on the screen by 1,000. Pause the video to self-mark your answers. If you made any mistakes, Can you try and work out where you went wrong? When you've completed that, have a go at today's division task found on WordPress or on your daily learning sheet.